Workshop Calculation in Science. Introduction. In our day-to-day life, we come across the measurement of different things, that is, weight of materials we purchase, distance we travel, time to complete the work, etc. And during this measurement, the form of measurement must be same, not only in our locality or city or nation, but also universally. The stability and progress of physical science mainly depends upon the accuracy and consistency of physical laws discovered and established from time to time. The establishment of these laws involves measurement of different quantities, that is, measurement of electric current, temperature, time, force, volume, distance, energy, etc. Hence, the units for measurement are necessary. Definition: units are the accepted standard for measuring a quantity. Classification of units. Units are mainly classified into two categories: fundamental units, derived units. Fundamental units are the units of fundamental quantities, that is, units of length, mass, and time. Fundamental units are further subdivided into CGS system, MKS system, FPS system. The first two are known as metric system and the latter is known as British system. CGS system means centimeter gram second system. In this system, units of length is centimeter, units of mass is gram, and unit of time is second. MKS system means meter kilometer second system. In this system, unit of length is meter, units of mass is kilogram, and unit of time is second. FPS system means foot pound second system. In this system, units of length is foot, unit of mass is pound, and unit of time is second. Derived units are the units which are used to express a quantity by combining two or more of the fundamental units. For example, units of area, volume, energy, power, speed, etc. may be said as example of derived units.